All right, welcome. Today we've got a fun one. We're going to play detective with just a single photograph. The big question is, what is this machine? We're going to break it down piece by piece and see if we can figure it out together.
Okay, so here it is. And wow, at first glance, it's a pretty strange looking contraption, right? You've got this clear container, what looks like some PVC pipes, and then a circuit board just kind of strapped to the side. So what are we looking at? Is this some high-tech scientific instrument, something for a workshop, or is it maybe something you'd find right in your own home? Let's start digging for clues.
Okay, first things first. Any smart device, anything that does something on its own, needs a brain. So let's start our investigation right there, with the brains of this whole operation, the electronics. Let's zoom in on that board for a second. See all that? You've got microchips, resistors, and, oh yeah, those little glowing LEDs. That right there tells you this is way more than just a simple on-off switch. No way. This thing is a command center. It's built to think. So what's its job exactly? Well, we can guess it's taking in some kind of signal, maybe from a timer, a sensor, who knows, even a button. And it uses that signal to control a motor. And those lights? Oh, they're super important. If you've ever built anything yourself, you know these are your best friend. They're giving you status updates, right? Telling you if the system is on, if it's waiting for a command, or hey, maybe if something's gone wrong.
All right, so a brain is great, but it's not much use without some muscle to actually do the work. So next up, let's look at the part of this machine that does all the heavy lifting. And there it is. See it? Tucked right there between the hopper and the circuit board. It's a small electric motor, and you can see it's hooked up to some kind of rod that goes right inside. This is where the magic happens, turning those electrical signals from the brain into actual physical movement. So what this motor does is spin something inside. I'm guessing it's probably an auger, like a screw or maybe a little paddle, and its job is to push whatever material is in that hopper downwards. But here's the key thing. It's not just running all the time. It's designed to start and stop with total precision, all based on those commands it's getting from the brain. Okay, we've got the brain, we've got the muscle. Now let's put it all together. Let's walk through the entire sequence of events, from start to finish.
So check this out. It all kicks off with a signal. The brain gets the command, it thinks for a split second, and then tells the motor, go. The motor starts spinning that internal part, pushing material down and out through those pipes. And it keeps going until the brain says, okay, that's enough, and sends the stop signal. This ensures that the exact same precise amount comes out every single time. So let's recap. We've looked at the brain, we've looked at the muscle, and we know how it all works together. I think we have all the clues we need. It's time for the big reveal.
Think about it. We have a brain for control and timing. We have a muscle for moving stuff. And we have a body designed specifically to hold something and then release a very precise amount of it. So what does that sound like to you? What is this thing? Boom, it's an automated precision dispenser. That's it. Its whole reason for existing is to spit out a perfectly measured amount of, well, pretty much anything granular or powdery exactly when it's told to.
And once you know what it is, your mind just starts racing with the possibilities, right? This could totally be an automated pet feeder, so your cat or dog gets fed right on time. Or, hey, what about dispensing the perfect amount of coffee beans for your grinder every morning? Genius! It could even be a tool in a workshop for measuring out grains or seeds. It's a brilliant, custom-built solution for a very specific problem.
Taking this thing apart piece by piece has been a lot of fun. But the real takeaway here is something much bigger than just this one gadget. It's really about the power of creation.
I mean, look at it. This machine is proof that you don't need a huge factory or $1 million budget to build something incredible. We're living in an amazing time where anyone can get their hands on affordable microcontrollers, like an Arduino or a Raspberry Pi, and combine them with a simple motor and a bit of creativity to solve real-world problems. And the solutions can be just surprisingly elegant. And that's what I want to leave you with. Take a look around you, in your own life. What's that one little annoying thing? That repetitive task you wish was automated? What problem could you solve if you just had a brain, a muscle, and your own clever design? Really makes you think, doesn't it? Thanks for digging into this with me.